Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to perform a firmware update. So, as you can see here, we are now in the application called Xiaomi Earbuds. In this application you need to scroll down a little bit so that you will see update firmware. Tap it and here you'll need to sign into your Xiaomi account. As you can see, here I've got our login page. If you don't have an account, tap create account right here. Let me log into my account quickly. Now I am logged into my account, so here let's tap update firmware. Tap update and here update again. Now your headphones are updating. You need to keep the application running and don't close this page or use your headphones, so you need to just wait. Don't do anything, just wait. Now we've got our update got successfully updated. Our headphones got successfully updated. It should take you about 3 minutes in total. That's it, goodbye.